Look at that glow. It's one of the most effective products I've ever tried for intensive hyperpigmentation dark spot care because prevention is the key. Good morning, sunshines! Look alive, look alive. I added a little bit of lipstick too. Look alive. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm gonna take you guys with me throughout the whole day to show you a full head to toe routine to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation fast. I'll be showing you everything from my skincare routine to inner beauty juice recipes to even a very special secret treatment I've been testing out. So let's get started with our skincare routine first. Now, after cleansing, first step is toner, and I love actually using this mist as the toner to kind of wake my ass up. This is the Mastina White Mastic Ampoule Facial Mist, which I use as a toner and a mist. Look at this beautiful orangey like mist texture that it has. It actually has sea buckthorn oil. So if you look at it very closely, you can actually see the oil itself. This baby just gives you that refreshing hydration that you need. It does kind of wake you up in the morning too. And its main function is to diminish dark spots and to give you clear skin. So I actually love adding it to my face, and I add it to my neck. I add it to my cleavage area and also my arm, because especially around the top parts, my skin has so much sun damage from my Da Nang trip and all the days of golfing as well. So it's really important for me to take care of not just my face, but my neck and these upper body areas as well. As a mist, it's a perfect size for me to take everywhere. It suits into all of my little mini bags, and it's been really nice to apply throughout the whole day. And especially because the weather is getting colder in Korea, usually other mists can actually feel more drying after I use it, especially for colder weathers. But since this contains the sea buckthorn oil, it's very moisturizing and it works great under makeup and on top of makeup. Alright, so after toner comes my favorite category, which is the ampoule or serum. Yesterday, I filmed a video with EUNISPA, and she is the girl boss. If you guys are not following her, please do follow her. She has amazing, very informative content. And what she was mentioning was from all the categories of skincare products, toner, serums, creams, cleansers, whatever's that's out there, she said the most concentrated and most effective one will be ampoules or serums. So I'm gonna introduce you to two key products that has been helping me the most to fade hyperpigmentation and dark spots, sunspots, sun damage the fastest. And the best part is that you have two different types. You have the same formula in two different containers or packagings. You have the Spoid type or you have the roll-on. And this is so easy to use. You just pump it up once or twice, whatever floats your boat, and you massage on the areas that you want to care for. And it just feels so amazing, and it's so easy to use, and it's so cooling as well. You can do it around the eye area, upper area. You can do it around the cheek area. I actually have the most sunspots and sun damage around this high cheekbones. So I love actually applying it to this area as well. And you can do it to laugh lines if you would like, if you want a little bit of that blood circulation, that blood flow around this area. Make sure not to be too harsh with it when you're doing this. You don't have to like put so much pressure onto it. And personally for me, where I have concerns is also my forehead. So I don't have much hyperpigmentation or dark spots around this area, but I do have wrinkles, and this formula is amazing also for wrinkle care or skin elasticity. And if you guys have concerns of eye bags or like puffy eyes in the morning, this is also a really good product because it both has that cooling effect and it will give you that gentle physical massage as well to kind of depuff really quickly. And Sue really loves this one, and she had a really good tip. She said that it's also amazing for people with acne prone skin who can't use gua sha due to sensitive skin. But if you guys still want to have some sort of massage tool or device, she said that this is such a great product, and I totally agree with her. I started using this before my Da Nang trip, so total of 8+ weeks now. It's one of the most effective products I've ever tried for intensive hyperpigmentation dark spot care, and especially for those unwanted sunspots, blemishes, acne scars, whatever it is, it's amazing and it works really fast. Ooh, look at that glow that it gives. It does have a very kind of rich kind of texture that suits better for night routine, but I love using it for both day and night. And you also have a Spoid type, especially for busy mornings when you're like, girl, I do not have that time to massage. It's okay, you can do it for night routine. And you can actually use just the Spoid type. Mama Cho absolutely loves this one. And you know how Mama Cho is super picky. She is in her 70s. So basically, it's really hard for her, it's challenging for her to find a product that she can see results from. And there's only few ones that has been Mama Cho approved. You know, she told me I can't really use that face unless it's Mama Cho approved. And this is one of those few products that has been amazing for her. She loves the Mastina Mastic Ampoule Serum because they are exactly what they claim to be. They focus on delivering high quality, effective skincare solution that harness the power of natural ingredients and delivers fast results. And I think that's the key point. And Mastina is a recently launched beauty brand by From Biome Company. I have actually mentioned about their probiotics before on my channel in one of my videos. If you guys haven't seen that one yet, please do check it out. You can get all the Mastina products on Amazon US. I have a code for you guys right here. I will link everything in the description below. Okay, so before we move on, I wanted to introduce you to one more product that I absolutely love. Okay, so let's talk about sheet masks. Sheet mask is a category that I absolutely adore. You guys know that I am a huge fan. I've done so many different videos on introducing you how effective sheet masks are. But the con is that you do have to be consistent, because with sheet masks, you can see an effect right off the bat, like after the 20 minutes of caring for it and stuff like that. But that can be like an instant hydration kind of thing, and the results may not show as much after some time. However, there are those few sheet masks that really make a difference. And dude, she is thick. I know you're gonna love this one, especially if you have dehydrated or dry skin types, or for those of you that's actually looking for fast brightening effect. Now, if you guys really want intensive concentration, this is it. This Mastina White Mastic Ampoule Sheet Mask. Ooh, I'm telling you, it has this thick, rich, slimy kind of texture that looks like this. But the finish itself is not tacky, which I absolutely love. I don't feel like I need to take it off. It doesn't feel icky. It just feels like my skin drank it up. But it does take a little bit for the formula to soak beautifully into your skin. And it's definitely more suitable for a night routine. And it provides very powerful skin illuminating and radiance boosting effects. Very effective in improving skin tone. Okay, guys. Ooh, I love this time when you can actually just see how plumped your skin feels and looks. And I love that it improves the appearance of your pores too. This is the time. Every time I take off a sheet mask, it just makes me feel so good. And that 10 minutes or 15 or 20 minutes of investment is so worth it, you guys. So I do want to highly recommend. And I love this. If you guys are looking for something for intensive brightening care, this is a good sheet mask. Now, 4 of these sheet masks comes in one box. So I do want to highly recommend that you do stock up whenever you can. This is one of those few sheet masks I think I could proudly say that it will really make a difference for you. All right, guys, last but not least is to wear your favorite sunscreens. Whatever floats your boat, whatever your hands keep on reaching for, do it, you guys, because prevention is the key. Now, you don't want to worsen the hyperpigmentation, the acne scars, the blemishes, dark spots, sun damages, whatever you have already. So you want to make sure to wear sunscreens, and you want to make sure to reapply sunscreens every 2 to 3 hours or as much as possible. Today, I'm gonna go golfing with Papa Cho. I'm gonna apply my waterproof sunscreen, just making sure that my skin is protected, and I really want you guys to also apply your sunscreens. Make sure to prevent so that we don't worsen our hyperpigmentation, dark spots, sun damage, and the whole shebang. But at the same time, we do have to protect our skin from the UV rays. So yes, you guys, I'm gonna apply a little bit more on my body, you know, behind the ears and everything after I turn off the camera. And I'm gonna go change, and I'll see you guys in just a moment. Hi, 파파초. 다들 everyone was worried that you were sick. 아빠 아픈 거 걱정했어. Thank you 해줘.
Thank you.
아빠 이제 좋다고 말해.
I'm okay right now.
Doing much better?
Thank you for your concern, and I'm getting better. Thank you.
Love you, unicorn 해줘. Love you. Don't forget to wear a hat. I'm wearing this to protect my arm and gloves, okay, you guys? Prevention is the key. Alright guys, so let me show you my go-to inner beauty juice for skin brightening that I have been loving. I ordered the ingredients from Coupang the night before. Coupang is like an Amazon in Korea. So if you ship the night before, it comes to you in the morning. It's perfect. And I love the combination of tomatoes and oranges these days. It's been so amazing for both my skin and my body condition. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps to repair damaged skin. Also, did you guys know that adding a bit of heat on tomatoes, it boosts the absorption of this ingredient lycopene. So keep that in mind when you are intaking it. Plus, tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, which is great for skin brightening. And the best part is that I just feel like ever since I started drinking these two combos, I feel a little bit less tired. I haven't seen like drastic results with my skin, but I do really feel like it's been helping me, especially when I am very consistent. And you can just add tomatoes if you want, but I like adding a bit of oranges, which makes it taste much better. They are a great vitamin combo. I love it, and Derek also loves it too. Also, another thing that I'm trying out is something called white tanning in Korea. But the name actually shouldn't be called that since your tan doesn't literally become lighter per se. It would be more accurate to refer to as red light therapy, and something to help to reverse our damaged skin from the sun and to help with collagen production and skin rejuvenation. Red light therapy technology was developed by NASA as a means to stimulate the body into treating wounds quicker while in space. Isn't that amazing? Essentially, infrared light possesses a longer wavelength, so it's able to penetrate deeper into the dermis layer of our skin, which will help with boosting production of collagen and elastin. And it will result in helping with damaged skin, including skin that has sun damage. And for optimal results, as I mentioned, they do recommend that you do it at least 10 sessions. So this is something that I have to keep trying, and will definitely update you guys on if it really helped or not. Welcome to EUNISPA. Today, we are gonna start with a skin brightening treatment where we're gonna help to fade your sunspots from all the golfing. Look at this. We're gonna help all the unwanted blemishes to fade away fast. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's do this.
Go.
Okay, can you close your eyes, sir? So, are you single?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I get married.
You're married?
Yeah.
Because I thought you were kind of cute, you know. but I don't mess with married men, so. This mist that you just put on, you can use it as a toner, and it contains sea buckthorn oil, which is an amazing ingredient for gentle skin brightening. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, perfect. All right, for the next product, we're gonna be using Mastina's Mastic Ampoule Serum, but the roller type. 이거 봐봐요, 뭐? Boop.
Oh.
It's cool, huh? And then we're gonna use it under your eyeballs. Do you see all the sunspots
Okay.
that Derek got from golfing? This is really good for like 진짜 좀 blemishes 이런 거 있잖아, sunspot. 좀 빨리 없어지는 것 같아, 딴 제품들에 비해서. Really easy to use, right? How does that feel? Really good. This is also the Ampoule babe, but 이건 Spoid type이야.
Oh yeah.
So it's like the same thing. It's really nice, right? Oh babe, look at that glow. 진짜 love that for you. Oh, look at that. And let's keep on using it for your sunspots and hyperpigmentation. Okay, you guys, we're gonna finish off with a little bit of luxurious mist. Close your eyes. You're all done.
Thank you.
Bye.